Why some people use exercise for anti-aging purposes. Anti-aging exercises. There are many different forms of exercises that people can do that causes aging to reduce and benefits the body. So even if you don't like running, you're sure to find something that you can do with what I'm about to reveal. First, walking. A simple exercise, but it has a lot of health benefits. It is a weight-bearing activity that benefits muscles and bones. Squats. The entire body gets a workout, especially the arm strength, or what is called the hamstrings, hips, glutes, and quads. Squats can also help improve balance and coordination. Standing calf raise. You stand and simply raise your heels. This targets the calf muscles. Hanging leg raise. This targets muscles in the midsection, known as the core. Stair climbing. The lower part of the body is targeted. Muscles, bones, and joints build strength with stair climbing. High impact movement. High impact movement, both feet tend to leave the ground, so it includes jumping rope, jumping jacks, and skipping. It helps bone density. Arm and leg crosses. This movement helps stretch and build muscles, but also strengthens the brain because it requires coordination. Aerobics. Aerobics is a type of exercise that is good for cardiovascular health. Any type of aerobics is good. Resistance training. This is good for both muscles and endurance. Reaction training. Sports are in this type of activity. So think of tennis, netball, or running.